Hello guys, welcome back to day 9 of my Kaftan design challenge with Clo3d and ChatGPT. And if you need any more file of my Kaftan design from day 1 to day 31, you can get them in the description box. The link is there, so you can either visit Fourth Wall or Selako. Selako is if you are Nigerian, you want to pay in Naira. So that's it. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the creator. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do here is just something simple and basic. So let's check this out. So I'm going to click on G to add an internal line here. So I'm going to drag and pull this down here, double click. So there should be a line from this angle. Come, let's wait. So you see we have this line across our front pattern. And what I'm going to do now is going to select C. So you can also select C from here. C is to edit curvature. So what I'll just do is just click on the internal line that I drew and just pull it down, something like this. So we have something like this. So I'm going to do another one again. Okay, before I do that, let me do this first. So what I'm going to do is just going to click on this internal line and right click and select cut and sew. So I'm going to select G on my keyboard and do the same thing here. And just pull it to probably somewhere here, double click, yes, and I'm going to select C on my keyboard and just pull this down a bit. Okay, so you have this pattern here. So I'm going to right click and coming right click. Why is it not clicking? Right click and cut and sew. So anytime I say Z, that means I've switched from the curve, that's edit curvature, to edit internal line or edit pattern. Sorry, yeah, Z is edit pattern. I mean, so okay. So we have this. So what I want to do is I want to use 3 color combination here. I want to make sure I'm using colors that are good, but then I'm not good with colors, so I'm going to obviously use ChatGPT to give me the best color. I'll just have to like explain what I need ChatGPT to do for me. And what else do we need again? Okay, let me play around with the pockets too. Let me do the same thing with the pocket and let's see how it looks like. So let me do the same thing. 1 2, yes. C curvature, yes. I'm going to select Z, click on the internal line, Z, yes, right click and cut and sew. So I'm going to select G and bring this down here. Anyway, it's fine. Okay, and C, just this did too much. Come in. Let me bring this down a bit. Yeah, we have this. Come here, boy. Yeah. So I'm going to select Z, yeah, right click and cut and sew. So I'm good to go with this design, and it's your choice to also make it make your sleeves, yeah, so that it can be longer. You can make your sleeves longer, I mean, sorry. So you can make your sleeves longer than this if you want to. It's your choice. So let's go to ChatGPT to do the rest. So I'll just explain something. So I designed a kaftan on Clo3d. Hey, I didn't spell the kaftan correctly. I designed a kaftan on Clo3d. So and I cut the front pattern into 3 pieces because I want, okay, that's weird, because I want to combine 3 fabric color. Yeah, I want a main color of fabric and 2 complementary colors, colors. I can complementary. This is not spelled here. N is supposed to be there. Yeah, yeah. Just press enter. So let's see the results from ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. I don't need it to generate. I'll use silk chiffon. Let's give another suggestion again. Another suggestion. So what I'm going to do here first is this. Sorry. Go back to it. So I'm going to duplicate this into three. So let's try to click on it. So let's wait for it to load. So when I select, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to copy this again. So we have three colors we are going to apply on this fabric. Okay, let's go back. So this is another suggestion. So let's try the first suggestion. This is the main color. So the main color is the emerald green. So I'm going to copy the color code, copy, and I'm going to go to this. I'm going to go to base. Oh, sorry, I don't need this. I've forgotten. I just need to change the color. I'm not. So I'm going to. Okay, I want to paste this here. This is the main color supposed to be. Okay, let me see. Main color, yes. Main color and comp 1, that's complementary 1, and comp 2, that's fine. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, go back, and this is mustard. Okay, copy this, and let's go back to Clo, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this and this, apply and close. So let's go back to this one. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to deep navy blue, click on this. I'm going to go back. Yeah, I'm going to go to this. Okay, yeah, this and this. Okay, so yeah is the thing. So I'm going to select all of them, Control A, yeah, and assign them to this main color. So I'm going to say it looks like say complementary color. So okay, I don't know which part. Let me see this. Control Z. Let me select this and use this, and select this and use this. No, I can't use this. Okay, I'll select this and use this. I'm going to select this and use this. I'm going to select this and use this. I'm going to select this and use this. Okay. So guys, what do you think? That is what I want to do. Okay, I think this is fine. It's just simple and nice. Okay, so let's test the other one generated by ChatGPT. I'm going to go to production colorway. I'm going to select the plus icon. I've not even changed the color of the stitch. Okay, let me go back to it. Let me just copy this green color, emerald green. Copy and yeah, this. So this is the stitch. Yeah. So I'm going to select this. Come in. Yeah. Change this. Control V. Apply and close. Yep. So something simple. I'm going to go to this and let's go to center panel. I don't want to fuck it, don't worry. This is charcoal gray. So let's try this. I'm going to go back to Clo. So go back to this is our main color here. Oh no, not this, yes. So I'm going to select this, open and paste. I have this. So we're going to click on this next. So I'm going to go to Bond. So let's go back to Clo. Let's check these. Let me just create 3 colorway. So I'm going to go back to Clo. Let's generate another colorway, and I'm going to change these to this. Apply and close. So we have something like this. Okay, and one more. If I go back, I need to change the thread here. Sorry. Okay, yes. I just click something looking ash. Apply and close. This is one I wanted to change the color for. Mistake. Just something closely. Apply and close. So let's click on this. Yes, and I'm going to go to. So this is the new one. It's a royal blue. Copy. Yes, and I'm going to change this fabric. Yes. Oh no, the main color is below. Sorry. So select this and paste this. Is royal blue, then combination 1 and say off-white. So copy bro. Okay, paste this and let's go to this one. Oh sorry, this one above. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. Says wine red. Copy this and go and paste. So you can see this. This is good. So this is designed for day 9. So let me save this again. Okay, the remaining thing we can do again is to just add button to the chest. I'm coming. Let me save this file. Okay, so let me just add button to the chest here. So okay, to me. Yeah, where's the chest pattern? So I'm going to select this to select button and just paste it here. So we have our button here. So let me just select this to adjust the button down a bit. Yep. Yeah, this is good. So let me say Control C, Control V. Yeah, depending on your choice. Right click. I just need one more. Okay, and we are good to go. But then again, we have to change the color of all the button. Okay. I want to. Okay, let me go to the button section. Okay, I'm going to click on this drop down. So we have this here. I'll just select this one I use often. Yes, and just change it to probably 15 is fine. Yes, so we have something like this, and we make it metallic. Where is the metal? So that's good. So I'm going to use one of the. I'll use this color by the edge. Yeah. So since we are using color, so let me just. This is the wine red, right? Copy the wine red color and let me see. Copy and go back to Clo and just. So we have something like this. So let's go for this. I'm coming. Let me go to my production colorway. I need to change for the other two. So I need to copy the other one. So let me go to which one did I use for the side of the other one. So I need to check. So this is it, and I use this. Okay. So this is the teal blue. Copy and go to Clo. We need to go to the button. Where is the button? Yeah, okay. Control V. So we have this. Okay. So you scroll up. I'm going to click on the mustard. Yeah. Deep navy. We'll go back to Clo. Click on this. Click on this, and Control V. So this is the design for day 9. Okay, yeah, this is my final design now. I've concluded. So just this with these 3 colorway combinations. So what do you think? So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. You can get a project file for this design. The link is in the description box, and stay tuned for day 10.